Don't throw away your overripe plantain. Instead, do this. So we'll be needing these ingredients: flour and onions, baking powder, groundnut oil, salt and pepper, and then our ginger and garlic, either paste or powder. So this is me showing you guys all the things I'll be using. And then I have to wash this mortar because I use it to pound afang. So I have to wash it so it does not have all those afang particles in it. So I'll cut the plantain into tiny pieces and then I'll pound. You pound it. It does not have to be so smooth, but you just have to pound it, and then you transfer it into a bowl and then you add the ingredients. To be putting my flour and then my baking powder, pepper and onions, the paste, the ginger and garlic paste, and my salt, and then you stir together. So by this time your pot should have been on the fire with your oil already, and then you fry. So this is the outcome. Oh my god, I know they try plantain again.